I love using the Chingxxx sauces in my cooking. They deliver on maximum flavour with minimum effort. In this series, I want to show you exactly when and how to use them to create exciting flavours in easy everyday dishes. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to use Char Siu sauce when cooking at home. Char Siu sauce is the Chinese version of barbecue sauce. It's made from spices, honey, and soy sauce. It's the secret to succulent Cantonese roast pork as it gives a wonderful sweet sticky coating to the meat. I like to coat pork belly with lashings of Char Siu sauce and roast it until the meat has absorbed all that wonderful flavour. I then slice it and serve it with some fluffy white rice topped with a fried egg. Bacon and egg, Chinese style. But Char Siu is not just for meat, it's great with vegetables too. I like to dip oyster mushrooms in flour, Char Siu sauce and breadcrumbs, then bake them in the oven. I steam some fluffy Chinese buns, then load them with the crispy mushroom pieces, a little drizzle of Char Siu sauce, some fresh cucumber and spring onion. Finish with a little pinch of chili powder. This is seriously good. Char Siu sauce also works incredibly well with tofu as the bean curd absorbs the sweet salty flavour really well. I like to mix the sauce with grated ginger and spread it generously over skewered tofu and vegetables. Then grill them in a griddle pan next to a steel bowl full of cooked white rice. The Char Siu sauce creates a delicious smoky caramelization on the skewers. When they're done, lay them on top of the rice and add in some edamame beans, pickled radish and sliced carrots. Finish with some fresh chili slices and finely chopped coriander stems, and it's ready to eat. So there it is, some delicious ways to use Char Siu sauce at home. Let me know in the comments below how you like to use Char Siu sauce in your cooking, and don't forget to check out the rest of the sauce masterclass for some great recipe ideas.